In July 1961, Palisadoes Airport was officially opened by the Honorable Norman Manley. It was built at a cost of about £750,000. The crowd that turned out for the opening included dignitaries from Jamaica and abroad, along with a wide cross-section of the population. This new airport was a long time coming. Plans had gotten underway for construction in 1952, but delays interrupted its timely completion. The airport is located on a protruding section of the Palisadoes Peninsula, which is a 10-mile section of land linking Port Royal to the mainland of Kingston. The Palisadoes Public Airfield was originally constructed on this peninsula between 1938 to 1939. The airfield on the Palisadoes Peninsula became private when it was handed over to the British military at the start of World War II. The Royal Navy developed the airfield into a naval air station in 1940. After considering potential sites for an international airport, a location on the Palisadoes Peninsula was chosen. Some factors in selecting the sites were its close proximity to Kingston, its existing airstrip that could accommodate land and seaplanes, and also its accessibility by road and sea. In 1972, the government of Jamaica changed the name from Palisadoes Airport to Norman Manley International Airport. This was done in honor of Manley, a national hero whose contributions as a government minister were an important part of the efforts in the planning and construction stages of the airport. The airport has undergone several major expensive refurbishment projects throughout the years. The work included the resurfacing of the runway and the replacement of the underground fuel hydrant system. Also, the airfield lighting system was refurbished. Significant upgrading of the terminal building and its facilities have modernized the building into a spacious 3-story structure with updated features.